the nation is facing the highest levels of unemployment it has faced in the last 40 years.
Kari ka jongi menta kayo ya ka jing bom don kam don jam ka bashar khay menta ka bat kraw tam hakine ki South Post nem ki balale.
The Home Minister himself called Meghalaya's government the most corrupt government in the nation.
Home Minister jong kari India daladehi ulaong ba ka sorkar Meghalaya kadai ka sorkar ka babam saptam hapo kari India.
And then immediately after calling the government of Meghalaya the most corrupt, he partnered with it.
Hadin ba ula keno ba kidai ki babam saptam tang hadin katto kanes ngi menta uya trelang batki.
There is the illegal coal transport scam, the assembly dome collapse scam.
Kadon ka jing khayitu yaw doyong bat ka dom jong ka assembly ro kalakelon.
These are clear for all of you to see.
Kine gide kita kishin ki ba mangi baro ngiyoi dalaki kemat.
Your languages are not included in the 8th schedule. 22 languages are included in the 8th schedule, but your languages, Khasi and Garo, have no room in that.
Kakitin Khasi bat kakitin Garo ki kelempat penrung hadu menta hapo ka 8th schedule. Kidon arpo arteli ki kitin hapo kari India ki baladon hapo ka 8th schedule.
The structures that we got to protect your land, protect the Adivasis, protect the local forests has been uprooted.
Kilat jingeda kumno ban penne ya kariti ka dustur ki jongpi hangne ya ki Adivasi ya kakitin Katolik ki jongpi baro ki sedang ban penjot menta.
The power of your autonomous councils is snatched away from them.
Kabor jongki district council ki jongi enang pentelot sisu iki lakini kabor ka jongki.
So all the work we did in decentralizing power, giving power to the people of Meghalaya is being reversed slowly.
Baro ki bor ki ba mangingila ay kamtam sa Meghalaya ki district council lasdang ban pendu kaway hadin kaway.
These are some of the issues that we want to raise in the Bharat Jodo Nyaya Yatra.
Kine gide ki mat ki ba kongsan ki ba ngakwa man pensngau si ki pai ba hakajing yai kijat ka jonga ka Bharat Jodo Yatra.
But the most important thing that the Bharat Jodo Yatra is aimed at is talking to you and listening to you.
Henry ka ba kham kongsan tam ka thong ka bangabu hakane ka jing yai kijat Bharat Jodo Yatra kalong banya keren bat phi bat ban sngap ye phi.
Understanding the dreams of the youngsters of Meghalaya.
Ban sngau thu ya ka jing angnot bat ka jing pos new jonki khun samla na Meghalaya.
Understanding the difficulties faced by the farmers of this state.
Ban sngau thu ya ka jing ba ki nong rep nakane ka jalla ki mat.
Understanding the potential of the state.
Ban ituru ka ka lat ka kabu ka bala ban le hakane ka jalla ka jongi.
And most important for me is making a relationship with the people of Meghalaya.
Bat ka ba kham kong santam nakamenta ka jonga kalong bandon ka jing yadai hapdeng jonga bat ki pai ba nong sung sunong hapo ka jalla
I
Meghalaya.
come here with humility, with respect, with humility and respect towards your culture, your tradition, and I come here to listen and to learn from you.
Ngalawan sene da ka jing sngorit ban sngap ya phi ban burom ya kariti ka dustur ka jong phi bat ban sngap ya ki jing don kam ki jong phi.
I am not here to tell you my Man Ki Baat. I am here to listen to your Man Ki Baat.
Nga klemwan hangne ban pun sngo ya ka jing sngo ka donut ka jonga Henry ngawan hangne ban sngap ya ka jing sngo ka donut ka jong phi.
And so in the yatra we spend 6-7 hours talking to the people of Meghalaya and other states, and then in the end we speak for 20-25 minutes.
Habangi yak kijat nriu nyau kanta ngis ngap ya ka sur jongki nong song snong haki jela ba per kumjuru ka jela ka jongpi bat haka bakut ka jing yak kijat ngi keren tang arfo arfusan minit.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.